Welcome to iLecture Online. Now we have some problems that are a little bit more challenging, so let's take a look at this one here. But right away we should recognize what this looks like. This looks like the typical form of a binomial cube, a plus b quantity cubed, and we shouldn't be afraid of that 1/2 in there, because that's part of that second term in this binomial. If we end up with something like this, this is going to look like a 1, a 3, and a 1 for the exponents. Here we have a 1a cubed plus a 3a squared b plus a 3ab squared plus a 1 times b cubed. Of course, we don't have to write the 1, but that's what we end up with. So there we're going to do the exact same thing. It's going to be a 1 times the first term cubed plus 3 times the first term squared times the second term to the first power plus 3 times the first term to the first power times the second term squared plus 1 time the third term cubed. So you see, we simply plug it into the formula like that. And just to make sure we realize the coefficients are 1, 3, 3, 1. And when we simplify that, this is x cubed plus 3x squared times 1/2 y plus 3x times 1/4 y squared plus 1/8 y cubed. And then if we simplify a little bit more, this is equal to x cubed plus 3 over 2 x squared y plus 3 over 4 xy squared, get rid of that, and plus 1 over 8 y cubed. Again, you have to recognize that, that is simply a binomial cubed. We use this general technique to solve it, and then you just apply it no matter what that binomial looks like, and that is how it's done.